Hi, this is Janet. I want to show you how to get gold flecks on your artwork that are really, really subtle. So here's a piece of paper that I have colored, and now I want to get some gold flecks on it. And so what I'm going to use today is my stamping block. I have some gold paint spread out here and a paintbrush. So I'm just going to load my paintbrush, and then I'm going to just quickly flick on the edge of the block. It's not a fast process, but it does give you great little quality. So I don't know if you can start to see the buildup, but it does take a bit of time. There, we're starting to get some good ones. There you go. See how fine they are?